Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine. In today's video, I am sharing with you a super amazing crochet pattern of baby blanket. This is a square piece design pattern. This is a beginner friendly pattern and I will be sharing with you how to crochet this beautiful pattern of baby blanket. So for this crochet project, I am using a 4mm crochet hook and I am using 2 strands of 3-ply yarn together. You can use 4-ply yarn as well, thickness will be the same. So first of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we will make chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, 6, and in this way we will make chains multiples of 8 minus 1. So I have made a few more chains to show you how to make this pattern. So now these 3 chains will be counted as our first double crochet stitch and we will be working into the 4th chain. So wrap the yarn around crochet hook like this, go into this 4th chain, drop a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 loops. We have 3 loops on our hook and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. This is our second double crochet. Wrap the yarn again, go into the next chain, drop a loop, pull the yarn through first 2, pull the yarn through other 2. Double crochet 3, then make double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and then double crochet 7. For this pattern we have to make stitches in odd number. You can make square pieces smaller or bigger as well with 5 or even 9 double crochet stitches. Now make chain 1, skip 1 chain into the next one, make a double crochet stitch. This is our first double crochet for the second square grid. Double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and double crochet 7. This is our second square grid. Make chain 1, skip 1 chain into the next one, make double crochet, and we have 6 chains more. Make 6 more double crochet stitches which I have made already. Now for the second row, make 3 chains which will be counted as our double crochet stitch. Turn up the work, skip first stitch into the next one, make double crochet, make double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next one, and we have 3 stitches. Make double crochets in each of these next 3 stitches as well. So we will have total of 7 double crochet stitches including our first 3 chains. Make chain 1, skip chain 1 space, and after that into the very first double crochet stitch make a double crochet, So repeat this pattern till the end. So I have made 6 double crochet stitches here, and our final double crochet stitch would be made in third chain. So right here in this third chain, make our last double crochet stitch. So 7 double crochet stitches are completed. Now make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, turn up the work, skip 1 stitch into the next one, make 1 double crochet, and repeat this same second row process. Chain 1, add chain 1 space and double crochets in every double crochet stitch. So I have completed this third row. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Now make one more chain because we are going to make double crochet chain 1 row pattern. Skip 2 stitches now, and into the third one make a double crochet. Make chain 1. You can see the grid pattern of chain. Make chain 1, skip 1 stitch into the next one, make a double crochet. Make chain 1 again, skip 1 stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1 again, skip chain 1 space into the next double crochet stitch, make a double crochet. So this is our pattern for this fourth row. We will make chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and we will make a double crochet into the next stitch. So same pattern would be repeated till the end. Now in the end, make chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and into the next chain 3 stitch, make a double crochet. So you can see the pattern from here. For all of the blanket, the same pattern would be repeated of these 4 rows, and you can make it as wide or as long as you want. So make 3 chains, turn up the work, and skip first double crochet stitch into the chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet, then into the double crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet, again into the chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet, then into the double crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet. Complete 7 stitches like this, and after 7 stitches, because we have to make a square grid, we have to leave chain 1 space. So make chain 1, skip chain 1 after 7 stitches, and make double crochet into the next one. So this is basically our pattern. We will leave this chain 1 space after every 7 stitches. Make double crochet into this last chain 1 space, and then a double crochet into the third chain, which is right here in this chain 3, make a double crochet, and we have to repeat this same process. You can make it as wide as you want and as long as you want according to your requirement. For blanket, I have made 26 by 32 blanket size for 0 to 3 months, and you can make it in larger size as well. So repeat this same grid pattern over and over again and make your blanket. I hope you guys like this tutorial video of baby blanket. If you like it, give it big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. So press the red subscribe button. This is the final result. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.